drop songs in it.
Yeah, what's up YouTube? My name is Dion and today we're simply going to be making an Afrobeat. Yeah, so simply have this Purity plugin. So we're gonna figure out some chords. Just start with the bass note just to figure something out. So now we're just gonna add some notes to create chords. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah, I kinda like that. So I'm gonna add some bass notes. Pitch it up an octave, move it up an octave. Twice actually. We're gonna strum it a little bit. Yeah, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna add halftime to it. We're using Shaper Box, and it's only on the halftime preset. And this just gives me the stretch vibe I'm going for. So I then exported it out. So I'm gonna chop it up actually. So I'm gonna get rid of this, this, and this as well. Move this one over, and as well as this one, as well as this one. But before, we're gonna pitch it down an octave. Sounds like this now. Yeah, pretty vibey. So now I'm just gonna add the EQ to it. Yeah, and next thing we come in with is an E piano. It's actually a Rhodes from FL Keys, and it's simply going to play this. Just simply just the same chords with a different rhythm. Next thing we're going to be adding, so we're going to be adding a contact. It's going to be a guitar, jazz guitar. This is just going to play a melody just for variation.
2 hours later.
After some time I came up with this. Yeah, pretty vibey. So I'm just gonna add a fully converter to that guitar cabinet. Okay, I don't know, I just like this. Just gives it that instant, realistic vibe. At a chorus, come to the C chorus. reduce the depth a little bit, and then just add a reverb just to make it a little bit more ambient. Reduce the volume. Next thing I'm gonna add is simply a vocal, so it's already in C minor. Which is already the key we're in, so it's not a problem. Just gonna cut it like this, chop it up here. So I'm gonna double click it and pitch it a whole octave down. I'm gonna boost it a little bit just to make it a little bit louder. And then add some reverb. Just to add to the whole ambience of it. Then an EQ, of course. Just to keep it in the background. So, next thing I'm going to be adding is the drums. So I have this peg loop and as well as this shaker. They sound like this. Yeah, and layering rim shots is actually good for achieving a different sound when it comes to main percussion, and adding some swing to it would definitely help with the bounce. Actually happy with that. Now I'm gonna add some congas. They're pretty vibey, but I'm actually gonna add another perk. And of course the kick. And we're simply gonna add the 4-step. Yeah, pretty vibey. So guys, the next thing I then came in with was simply just bass. It's this bass from Purity. Yeah, after some time I then came up with this. Yeah, pretty vibey. And we also added the synth bass, of course, just for variation. Simply gonna follow the root notes. Add a slight note here. Yeah. Control V to copy it over. So here's the finished beat, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Peace out.
Beyond drops out.